Welcome back. Don't mind us just sitting around making a little pottery. If you've ever wanted to channel your inner Demi Moore from Ghost, you know the scene. Today is your day. Rickey Hotard and Michelle Stiehl are the owners of Throwin Gold Ceramics, and they are here to show us how it's done. And we were just saying during the break, all the years that Daytime has been on the air, we have never made pottery or done any segment with pottery, and we thought this would be so cool. So thank you for being here.
Thank you so much for having us. Just the fact that we're the first ones.
You are.
Quite an honor.
You're the OGs. So what is it about pottery that people love so much? It seems very calming just sitting here watching Michelle do her thing.
It is. You know, it's satisfying. You know, people come to us for a lot of different reasons.
Mm-hmm.
You know, a lot of people want to just pick up the art and learn a new craft.
Yeah.
Some people want to use it for, you know, their therapeutic break from whatever's stressing them out in the outside world.
Sure. Kind of shut it all out while you're working.
We want to be the place that wants to help everybody fall in love with clay and just let go and enjoy themselves again. I like to say we all play with mud when we were kids, but as we get older, we forget how much fun it is.
Yeah, absolutely. This is the adult version of playing in the mud. So what are you making here, Michelle? And tell us about your technique. What's going on?
I'm going to try to see if I can make this neck a lot longer. So I'm going to sort of, a nice word for choke is collar.
Nice word. So how long have you been making pottery?
I started at 14 and I'm
Really?
41, so.
Well, you look great for
25 years,
That's a lot of years. So you teach classes, obviously, and
mostly, yeah.
What is the first thing that you teach someone, like a newbie like myself? Because I am going to get in here in just a minute. That's why I have the gloves. But what's the first thing that you need to know before you start?
Typically, you have to get the wiggles out of the clay because it is working on symmetry, right? The wheel is spinning, so you have to push the clay really hard away from you until it stops wiggling, and then you're able to open into it, which we did all that hard stuff for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You get to do the fun part of shaping,
good.
where you push your hand out or collar in, like I'm doing, to make the shape you want.
So do you have an idea of exactly what you want to make before you start, or do you just kind of go with the flow and see what happens, what you're feeling at the moment?
Now I definitely have an idea of what I want to do, but in the beginning I just let the clay take me.
Yes, and I'm sure it probably takes a lot of people places that they didn't mean to go when they're not professionals like you.
Yeah, we usually say it's about 50%. So if you make 10 pieces, 5 are going to work out, 5 are not.
Okay, well that's 50%. That's not bad.
Yep.
So do you have classes? How can people, come and make some pottery with you?
So we do classes every day of the week, but Sunday, Monday?
Yeah, we offer 4-week courses and one-time workshops in both wheel throwing and hand building. You can go to our website, throwin-gold.com. Everything's listed on our website. We release new workshops every month on the 15th. Any way people want to start a clay journey, we'll find a way to help out.
Please tell me at some point, y'all, maybe not exactly reenacted, but you've had some fun with the scene from Ghost with Demi Moore. I mean, you are kind of wearing her outfit here with the cute little overalls.
It's funny you were talking about earlier. Every Valentine's Day, we do a Ghost workshop where we bring in, we do 2 people per wheel and do a whole workshop with it. Trying it out.
Yeah. That is such a great idea. It's something different to do with your significant other, something new to experience, and
it
maybe
sells
it
out
becomes
every
a hobby
year.
for you both.
It's a great exercise in communication.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. And I'm already, I'm picturing these men maybe who aren't, the best at it, coming in and making all of this pottery and then bringing it home to their wife and then them wanting her to display it, but they hadn't perfected it yet.
Yeah.
They're like,
there's always couples that are like really into it together, and then there's couples that are like, why'd you do that? Don't touch it.
Getting mad at each other, yes.
Back and forth.
Oh, this is beautiful. I love what you're doing
We're getting taller, aren't we?
Okay, we really are.
A little bit.
Okay.
So are you ready to try?
I think I am.
All right,
I have gloves.
Get your gloves on.
Took all my jewelry off.
Let's see.
Got some gloves.
And then we'll switch seeds.
Oh, we gotta switch seeds.
You got the other piece?
Of course I'm wearing a dress today, so I'll have to do this.
Actually, you can stay.
Can I stay here?
Yeah,
Okay.
of course. This is going to be a pretty simple move, but we'll see. Be your first vase. One of many, hopefully.
Oh my gosh. I was hoping you'd keep yours on there and I could say I made that one, but okay.
Okay, so hold with your left hand, hold the sponge. Try to push it in about halfway, and then you're going to aim out towards my finger. And see what you can do.
Oh, great.
So push right.
Oh.
Pretty hard. And we're going to look and see what she does right out here.
What?
Oh, there you
I'd
go.
like to know what I'm doing. I can't see anything.
Moving?
It sure is moving.
Come up now while you do that. Look.
This is
right?
so fun.
So a little out, maybe get your hands wet and put the sponge down and do the gentle choke, right? Gentle. You might make yourself a little chalice.
I think I'm going to have to come take a class, what I'm going to do. Okay.
Squeeze in there.
How hard?
We'll see. Maybe gently if it's too hard.
Yep. Now.
Oh, yeah, go more.
Oh.
It's kind of fun to just put pressure and see what happens.
Yes.
Yeah, go in more and just stay.
Crank that speed. I'm just kidding. Don't crank that speed. Does it go faster? I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what happens if I go in?
Just go in now and
You should have
push.
seen her face when I said, what happens when I go in? She kind of said, maybe don't do that.
Push out and just stay in the same spot.
Oh.
And it will make.
Okay. Can somebody please cue that song from Ghost? Whoa, my love.
You're getting a little bump right there.
I
And then we
am.
can make, if we go in and just stay in the same spot, it'll give it like a waist.
Okay, now something's happening. Nothing was happening
And
when I was
look, you're
doing
getting
it.
kind of like a little chalice.
Guys.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's continue with this.
Yeah.
And maybe whatever I make, I can take home.
That's right.
Sure.
I'm sure it will be beautiful.
Yay.
But if you guys would like to learn more, if you would like to take a class, you can do it at Throwin Gold Ceramics. They also have a free event that's coming up, a little spring thing, their 3rd annual spring sale. It's on Sunday, May 5th. You can call or go to their website, throwingold.com. But in the meantime, let's go to break. Let's continue here with the wheel and see what happens.
Push out more on top. Make the drinking part bigger, right? We can fit more